So there's a lot of talking regarding Ikram Renas being included to Bafana Bafana squad that is going to World Cup in next 3 months. So we know that Tumadala has other two strikers that he preferred before Ikram Renas, which is Ulaili Foster and also Evidence Mahopa. So the question is, should Hugo Bruce drop one of those two strikers, which is Evidence Mahopa or Ulaili Foster, and then introduce Ikram Renas back to a national team, or he should actually bring three of them to the World Cup should anything to happen to his first preferable strikers? Then he knows to back up Zulaili Foster, maybe like he did with AFCON, having him as an additional player who was on standby should anything happen to his striker, or he need to make some tactical changes in his actually striking department. The question is, what should Coach Hugo Bruce do? Now, we do have a stats of the three strikers as far as Bafana is concerned. So far, we know that Ulaili Foster has more goals than the three of them. But on the other hand, you cannot leave Ulaili Foster, because when it comes to high game temperament, he has that experience. He is the player that can give reverence to the rest of the squad, having played against the Man City, against the Chelsea, against the Arsenal, against the Manchester United, and so on and so forth. So he's been on those high pressure games, and he knows what it takes to be in those games. Though he hasn't shined as most of us would love to, but he has been in those type of situations. And on the other hand, Ikram Renas has been on those type of matches also with FIFA Club World Cup, and he shined. He's gotten himself some man of the match performances and he scored goals. So also Ikram Renas is very, very tough psychologically. So he has something that he can give you as a striker. Now the question is, who do you pick? Ikram Renas over Ulaili Foster, Ikram Renas over Evidence Mahopa, or you continue with two Mahopa and Ulaili Foster. But if you look also at Ikram Renas, he's very, very good in running into spaces, opening up for his players. He has speed and he can score goals from all type of angles. But on the other hand, if you look at Ulaili Foster, he's very, very composed. He's a box striker, a typical number 9 who can actually play combination plays with his actually fellow teammate going forward. He can also make those peel-off runs and open up space for oncoming attackers to actually punish the opponents. But I think he needs to work in his arrogance a little bit, and also know when to share the ball and not to try and take glory for himself. But then mase kuba khona ungwana assist, Evidence Mahopa uyibhakaniya lona qobo. I think Ngwana says he's giving you something totally different from the both strikers. He's not a typical striker that is found in a box, but let's say a team likes to build from the back. I think Ngwana says he's very, very good in those type of situations. Actually, make sure that he set up traps for opponents, and also he has goals. Though he's not as clinical as you'd want him to be, but his work rate is unmatched, and also his influence on the game. Looking at the fact that also you have the player like Urele, the player like Apolis, and also Umoremi, the synergy, you will need that synergy going into the World Cup. That understanding, because we've seen in the middle of the park that there's that synergy between Mkwena and also this colored boy, young, fantastic colored boy, Jalen Adams. We've seen that synergy. Now we need to transfer the synergy going forward. Two players also who have a synergy. So when Umahopa is introduced, you could see that the game changes if you have Vurele as a number 10, and also Apolis as a half winger, and also Utepang Morim as a wide or an out winger. Now, we do not know if he's going to opt for Umshishi or as a number 10 or Urele, but we will see what we can do. We can trust Hugo Bruce what he is building, and hope that he will do it justice as far as his squad is concerned. But the other player that comes on the picture is also Thembinkosi Lorch. There are so many questions that's why Lorch is not included. in the Bafana squad. So if he called Uhlongwane back to the squad, I think he can have grace also for Temengo Siloj. But sometimes the egos come into place. So we are not into that. Namhlanje like telling which of these three strikers should be dropped out of the national team, or should Coach Hugo Bruce take three of them to the World Cup? What do you say?